seems to be a major issue in Jamaica and in the diaspora. So the next question is, what concrete steps do you propose to combat corruption within the political system, ensuring transparency, accountability, and integrity in governance if you were to become the next Prime Minister?
Yes, well, we kind of addressed that already, but just to repeat, I think that the institutions that have been created in the last 10 years to deal with corruption are fit for purpose, they're well designed, they need to be supported with adequate resources, and there is no political interference in what they do. And what we've been seeing recently is politicians expressing an intent to weaken them and to take away their powers, and that certainly must be resisted as much as possible, because this issue goes to the heart of our identity, our sense of hope, and the future prospects of our nation. So we can't deal with this in any kind of diluted or weak way. We have to be very resolute about it, and I'm committed to that. And as I've said before, leadership is critical in this area. Unfortunately, the Prime Minister is in a situation where he is somewhat compromised because his own declarations, which are supposed to be certified and published in summary form, as are mine, his have not been certified or published for a number of years, and we do not know why. And he hasn't been able to explain publicly what the issue is. So, that puts him in a difficult position, really, to speak with any authority on tackling corruption, because he himself hasn't been able to pass muster.